The charts which you see are not just recordings of random price movements. These are products of years and years of patterns formed by prices, which are formed as a result of consistently repetitive human behavior. Interestingly, if we see certain patterns forming, we can absolutely anticipate how the future prices will move. This is because in a given situation, people tend to behave in a similar manner. Therefore, understanding these patterns gives us huge insights into anticipating future price moves. Whether you've been in the market for long or just about starting off, it's important for you to know that there is nothing random in the stock market. At MTS, you have the opportunity of learning about these patterns, called the chart patterns. In this course, you will learn about this powerful tool of technical analysis. Understanding these patterns gives you a complete insight on market behavior. In simple words, it gives you a holistic idea of stock trends of the past, present, and the projected future. The MTS Chart Patterns course gives a complete understanding on these mystical patterns, and this is going to give a big boost to your trading career. This is your chance to maximize profits with the right patterns and data. We are excited to introduce a meticulously curated and detailed course using state-of-the-art technology that offers an in-depth understanding of technical analysis. Our course includes actual case studies and examples which will help you understand and implement these techniques very effectively. We also provide you with your own dedicated student portal where you will have access to not only the course content but also ebooks for every topic, along with few other tools which will be great reference material to improve your understanding. We believe that a thorough understanding of the course is very critical for your success. That is why we have included quizzes after every topic to evaluate your understanding and to ensure that you're on the right track. We also offer query solving to ensure that all your doubts and questions are resolved promptly. Our expert team is always ready to assist you and provide you the necessary guidance throughout the course. Let us help you get started. Join now.